Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust warmth schedule on Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, then navigate to the warmth. There's a schedule right here. When you click on it, you'll be able to adjust the settings like automatic or manual options, or enable or disable it. Also, when you set it to manual, you can adjust the time when the warmth schedule should begin and when it should end. There's also a slider that will apply when the time is reached. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.